Good morning, guys. Today is Saturday, yes. Ooh, this is a little update on my skin. This is how it looks. I know a lot of you guys have been asking me. I have a new friend here and a new friend here. I just keep getting them regardless of what I do, but I think my scars are fading away nicely. I started using the PMD again, so yeah. Right now I'm getting ready to make pinto beans on my Kosori pressure cooker, so let me show you guys. So I have it right here. I know I made a video about it already. I put about a pound of pinto beans, this little bag right here, which is what I buy from Walmart. Casserole pinto beans, and it is 16 ounces, 1 pound. So I have my Kosori right here, and I have my pinto beans all nice and clean already in here. And I will be adding 2 bay leaves, 3 cloves of garlic, and 1 tablespoon of grapeseed oil, 2 tablespoons of salt, and 8 cups of water. This right here is 3 cups. Okay, so I have added the 8 cups of water right here. Now I am going to put the lid, and right now, as you guys can see, it's unlocked, so I'm gonna lock it. Okay, so it is now unlocked, and then you're supposed to put the pressure valve unlock as well. Right now it's unlocked. I don't know if you guys can see, unlocked. So to put it on lock. Now I am going to press the beans, adjust the time to cook time 35 minutes. And then press start, and it shall start. Right now it's building up the pressure, and then when it beeps, it should be ready to cook the beans. So I'll show you guys when the beans are done. So the beans are done, and I already opened the pot, and this is how they look. Perfectly cooked beans. Smells wonderful. It smells like garlic. So yeah, this is how I make the beans in my Kosori pressure cooker. It was pretty easy and simple, and it only took 30 to 35 minutes. So I'm very pleased with my Kosori cooker. I'll show you guys more recipes whenever I use it again. I think I want this one. Some little paint samples and a compressor, and that's it. And then there's also apples, blackberries. I like blackberries. Hi guys, so we went to Lowe's and we went to Home Depot, and hubby just had to buy a wrench and a compressor because he just needed one. And since we were there, I bought 2 little paint samples, and I also bought a tree, which is a cherry tree, and I already showed you guys. So yeah, I'm really happy. Let me show you where we're going to put it. So this is the little cherry tree that we bought. And it's pretty small, but as you guys can see, I have a small one there, another one, another one, another one, and then one here was missing. We actually had a cherry one there, but it died, so we took it out, and now we are going to plant another cherry. So yeah, that will complete our tree section right here in our backyard, so it'll look pretty nice. So right now we don't have any plans to do anything at the moment, other than a little later hubby is gonna go visit his uncle and help him weld something he needs. But other than that, we have no plans. We might go to Walmart as well because we are in need of groceries. But yeah, today has been a very mellow day, and I am probably going to clean the house again thoroughly. So I'll see you guys a little later. So we are all hungry and we decided to just go to Wendy's for a little mini snack or mini meal, because Wendy's is not our main course for the day today. So we are headed to Wendy's, so I'll see you guys when we get there. Peace. What are you guys doing?
Nothing.
Hello guys, so we are here at our in-laws house. We just came to visit them because we haven't been here in like about 2 or 3 weeks, or no, more like 1 week or so. But yeah, I'll show you guys her flowers that she has and her backyard because it's really beautiful. And then I think we're gonna be heading home here in a little bit, so I will see you guys when we get home. Hi guys, so we are back from our in-laws and we are just here home, but actually the kids are hungry now, so we are probably gonna go eat dinner here in a little bit, so I'll see you guys when we get there. Well guys, we are back from Chili's and we had a really nice dinner meal as a family. So right now I'm just gonna conclude this vlog because we are done for the day and we are just getting ready to go to sleep. So I will see you guys on my next vlog. Bye guys, and thank you so much for watching.